Make a great choice today with the 2024 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.